Hi guys, in this new fun video, this will be a simple one. I will show you how to make your characters dance in CS2, Counter-Strike 2. So here we'll be teaching you two ways. So basically one is what we call the Shakira movement, where the character or the player moves backwards and while switching his feet on the ground like so. You can see here, well, I don't have a CS2 downloaded, but you can see here that he will be swiping his feet left and right, doing backwards. And the way to do this is by clicking A and key simultaneously, and then by switching it to the S key on your keyboard. You will be able to do this dance. And it's better to do this hands-on if you want to try it on your CS2 to see the real movement of the dance. The second way is by, and bear with me, this gonna be a weird one, by randomly moving your character in the air like this, by wiggling this, and the result is this. It will be wiggling up and down and sideways. This tutorial does not do justice to the dance, but once you have tried this, you will see how fun this dance is. So basically just swing the character sight in the air like so, and he will do this. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope this makes you a little smile, and